In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Bitvavo to another wallet. So from our Bitvavo app, we are going to click on the blue button down below in the middle. And in here, we're going to click on withdraw. Select crypto in here and select the crypto asset that you wish to transfer. So in this tutorial, I'm going with Ethereum. So let's click on this. And right now we have no wallet address added yet. So let's click on add new address. And in here, we're going to select the network. And please be sure that you select the same network in here as you are going to on your other wallet. So this is really important because if you don't do this, your crypto might get lost. So select the network that you want and click on continue. Here we can give our wallet address a name. So let's say other wallet and then Ethereum because I'm doing that in this tutorial. And below you need to enter the wallet address of that crypto value. So let's go to our other wallet to obtain this address. So in this tutorial, I'm using Trust Wallet as my other wallet, but of course you can use any wallet. Just go to some option that's saying receive or deposit crypto. So I'm going to click on receive, and in here I'm going to select the crypto that I wish to receive, and that is Ethereum. Click on Ethereum, and you see in the black box after ETH that it says Ethereum, and this means that the network is Ethereum, so they match with my Bitvavo. So let's click on copy to obtain this wallet address. And right now we're going back to Bitvavo. So paste in the wallet address in here, click on this address belongs to me if it is your address, and click on continue after. Click on continue. In this screen you need to enter your password and your two-factor authentication code. And if you haven't authenticated yet, then go ahead and do that and check my other video on how to do that if you're stuck on that. So I'm going to insert my password and my code, and then I'm going to click on continue. So Bitvavo will always send you a confirmation email to confirm your new withdrawal address. So go ahead and look in your junk or in your spam or just your normal inbox. And then when you see this mail, click on confirm address request. And note that this can take around 10 minutes, 15 minutes in order to receive. So click on confirm address request. As you can see, the address is added. So now we can head back to our Bitvavo application to finalize this transfer. So our wallet address is confirmed. And now we can select this wallet address and withdraw to other wallets. So let's click on this. In here, we can insert the amount of Ethereum that we wish to transfer. In here, enter the amount that you want to send. And I want to send 10 euros. And after everything is finished, go ahead and click on preview transfer order. And please note that there can be fees applied. And in this case, there is a €1.57 fee. So after everything is finished, click on preview transfer order. And if everything is all right, click on send ETH. As you can see, we have sent our Ethereum to our other wallet. So let's click on continue. And right now, when we go back to our other wallet, we can see if it is already added. So my balance has been topped up and I can see that my Ethereum is added to my other wallet. So that is how you transfer crypto from Bitvavo to another wallet. I used Ethereum in this tutorial, but you can use any other crypto. Just make sure that you are on the same network on Bitvavo and your other wallet. And then everything should be fine. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.